Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Jamaican style saltfish fritters. First and foremost, big up Father God, oh yeah. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to use to make the saltfish fritters. So this is the saltfish I'm going to use. I just need to wash them and boil them off to get out the excess sodium from them. This is the flour I'm going to use, all-purpose flour. I'm also going to use a little bit of cornmeal, going to use a little bit black pepper, a little bit turmeric powder, and this the oil I'm going to use to fry the fritters. Here I'm going to use sweet peppers, which is the yellow, green, orange, red. I'm going to use a piece of purple onion. I'm going to use some scallions and thyme. Me also going to make a dipping sauce. So here I'm going to use some mayo, onion powder, some honey, some yellow mustard. Also I'm going to use some cayenne pepper and some dry parsley. Now I'm going to start off by making the sauce and put it to chill in the fridge. 2 tablespoons of mayo to the bowl. 2 tablespoons of mustard. 3 tablespoons of honey. Half teaspoon cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon dry parsley. Half teaspoon garlic powder. Now I'm going to whisk it. Now give it a taste. It's supposed to be sweet and spicy. Add a little bit more honey. That's enough. Alright, that is it. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge to chill. Okay, now I'm going to wash off the excess salt of the saltfish. So here I have some water boiling in this pot. We're going to boil the saltfish for 15 minutes, okay? Only one time for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to prep the rest of the ingredients. So for the thyme, you just want to pick off the leaves like this, okay? We just need the thyme leaves, not the whole thing. So you turn it upside down and you slide it off, okay? Now I'm going to chop the scallions them and them already washed. So the peppers, I already used piece off of them already, as you can see. They already washed also. I'm just going to cut off the part I need. Now I'm going to cut them in julienne strips. Alright, now I'm going to dice them, so I turn them this way. Okay, it's already 15 minutes since the saltfish boiling. I'm going to turn off the stove and drain it off. Cool them down with cold water. Now that the saltfish cool down, I'm going to break them up. So me normally soak the saltfish overnight, but since me not soaking it overnight, me just going to boil it for 15 minutes to get out some of the excess sodium. So me not going to boil out all the sodium from the saltfish, okay? So first, I'm going to mix the flour, the cornmeal, black pepper, and turmeric first. Going to use 4 cups of all-purpose flour. That's 2, 3, 4. Going to use just a pinch of turmeric because we don't want the turmeric overpower it. So not too much turmeric. 3 tablespoons of refined cornmeal. Half teaspoon black pepper, not too much black pepper. Mix them together. Now we're going to add the saltfish, scallions, sweet peppers and onions. Going to mix them together. So you want to mix them together before you add the water, okay? And remember, the saltfish, they have a lot of sodium still left back in them. So that's the reason why I don't add no seasoning, okay? I don't want it to be salty. I'm going to add the water. I'm using room temperature water, okay? Still a little bit too tight. Loosen it up a little bit. So that is it. Not going to add no more water. It well loose up. This the pan I'm going to use to fry the fritters. Turn on the stove. Going to add the oil. That's enough. So now I season up the oil. I add 1 scotch bonnet pepper, piece of scallions, thyme, and 3 cubes garlic. Now we're going to take them back out the pot. They already seasoned up the oil. Now I'm dropping the fritters. Now you want to make sure your stove is on medium heat, okay? Not too high to burn them up and not too low for them to suck in the oil and don't fry, okay? Now I'm going to make them fry for 3 minutes on each sides before take them out. Now I'm going to flip them. And you see when you overcrowd the pot, they hard to flip, okay? So make sure don't overcrowd the pot when you're frying them. You need space when you're flipping them, okay? Okay, them one here fry. So I can take them out now. Whenever you take them out the pot, always ensure to put them on something where they could drain the excess oil. Also, you could put them on a piece of paper towel. So here you have it, my people, saltfish fritters. Alright, now I'm going to eat 2 of them. So I'm going to pour some of the sauce on the plate. Normally you're supposed to just dip it in the sauce. Open it, show you. See your inside look. So you dip it in the sauce like this. I tell you, this is so good. The sauce, sweet, spicy. If you don't want the sauce to be spicy, you can just leave out the cayenne pepper and use sweet paprika, okay? This is so good. Okay, thank you so much to watch this video to the end. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. Peace out. See you in the next video.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.